Hey guys, this is Samoan Pranks here, and I just want to say a short message to you. I want to do a Q&A next week, so I hope you guys leave your comments down below, and enjoy the video. And as always, peace.
It's been a real feature, and Naru lose the ball, more possession, comes back for Hanupu Nofoa, the step and then another step. He's got class.
Oh my God!
He's done it.
Oh, okay.
What's that's your dad, eh?
He just stopped with this bang! Ooh! So the guy just hit that like boom, boom, boom. Ooh! Bro, mean ass fight, bro. Bro, mean. Shit, we there. Oh, now my mate told me.
Uncle, the friend. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's auntie. Yeah.
Hey, I'm beginning to get cold. Dole. Hey, aule lote full me alisanga. Venga kangwa kwa mimilo malo. Okay, pisto, welo.